Okay, looks like everybody's here. It's an invoice. Tell me how much I spent. That can go away. I know these are Jatoba because these are the only thing they couldn't resaw. They couldn't put them through their planer. So that's kind of an easy one, but boom, 1 point for me. I think this is flame birch. You can see it's got like flames. This, possibility this is African mahogany. Okay, this I know is poplar, purple and stuff. Blanco Alves. I don't know the pronunciation, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Let's see, these guys I know are all African black. Actually, no, this is Gaboon Ebony, but same idea. It's just completely black. More of the same. This is gonna be cool for roof structure because there's, well, you'll see. I'm not entirely sure I ordered this. And then obviously we've got your paddock here. Whew, it's a massive piece of board. There we go. Okay, we finished the cow, first cow, which I haven't figured out the name for. I'm gonna be storing them in here, I think, so once that cabinet's full, I know I'll be like halfway there. Anyway, one of the hardest parts I find is naming the pieces. So I haven't named that that cow lying down that we did yesterday yet. I'll be thinking about it today. The next one we're doing this morning is, you're not gonna be able to see this, I don't think. You'll see it when I lay it out. This one right now I've just got named the bull, and it's the male counterpart to that lying down female from yesterday. This one's gonna be a little bit bigger, 16 by 20. But again, maple frame, just like we discussed earlier. I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of gluing some different kinds of lumber up to get what I need to press this bowl out. This morning, I'm just gonna kind of start at my own pace and figure out exactly what I need for lumber. Maybe go through a couple options, possibly resaw some walnut, we'll see. Yeah, let's get to it.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment to give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment. Stay in the moment.
Alright guys, that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with the making of the Shelburne Farms Collection. 3 or 4 more parts to come. I want to show you how I made all these pieces. It was quite a journey, and I want to encourage you to leave a comment. Something that you think I could do differently, or something that you think would add to these pieces. I think everybody has an eye for art if they just take a second and look closely. I bet you'd be surprised what you could come up with. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Share this with anybody you think might be interested, and we will see you on the next one.
Someone just got on with me.